First at 4, we've been covering two major stories these past few months. One, of course, being the Black Lives Matter movement and protests, both nationally and here locally. In Portland, while mostly peaceful in the early evenings, some demonstrators have become violent later in the night.
The other, of course, COVID-19 and its huge impact on our daily lives. From school and work to simply shopping, everyone has had to make a lot of changes. Today, Governor Brown spoke one-on-one with Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez.
And he joined us live in Northeast Portland with what she had to say. Simon?
Yeah, the governor has faced some criticism for her response to the COVID-19 pandemic, particularly some of the restrictions that she's put into place. And last week, she had to tighten the belt even further for one Oregon county.
Recently, you had to make a tough decision and ask the folks in Umatilla County to take a step back. How hard a decision is that, and do you anticipate potentially having to make that decision for other counties as well, especially more populous counties like Multnomah County?
It was a really challenging decision for me, mostly because I know this community and I just love the region. I had to take action. I had a sense of urgency. Both public health officials and physicians were saying that the virus could spread like wildfire. And it was critically important that we take action at that time. In terms of other communities, my hope is that we don't need to take more restrictive actions, and it's up to Oregonians whether I will need to take more restrictive actions in the future.
Some local lawmakers, as well as leaders of local cities and counties, have suggested that you've been overreaching with your authority and exercising too much power. Do you think you're doing that?
My primary focus throughout this entire pandemic has been to protect the health and safety of Oregonians. And we are using science and data to make these decisions. And we have saved hundreds of lives. That is due to the efforts and the actions that my administration has taken, and frankly, the tremendous and very difficult sacrifices that Oregonians have had to make.
And during our conversation, the governor also spent some time talking about the deal that she secured with the federal government to remove federal police officers from downtown Portland and how that deal exactly came together. We'll get into that a little bit more coming up tonight at 5. For now, reporting live in Northeast Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.